Is he awake?
He's awake.
Uh-oh.
I need some coffee.
I think we all need coffee. Alright, coffee time. So we've tried many forms of making coffee in the morning, and using the Joule seems to be our favorite because it's a simple French press. It requires the least amount of equipment to get going in the morning. Minimal setup, minimal having to pay attention to anything.
It's faster too, isn't it?
Yeah. It is faster. We used percolators, and they take a while, especially when it's cold, to get the coffee to start percolating. Whereas this is just plug it in and go. The nice thing about this is it's just electric, so it takes a standard power cord, and we just plug it in and press a button. No real fuss, no real mess. Don't have to worry about fuel. Just quick.
This table's very unstable though.
Yeah. It's not in the best spot. That's okay. It doesn't need to be stable for this to work. Alright, it's on. We will come back when it's boiling. I think, yeah, we're ready. Turn that off. Let it stop from boiling for a second so we don't scorch the coffee. Put this together. And if you've never seen this, I've actually done a video on it already. I'll throw a link to the full review.
It's funny we were in the same area too.
Yeah, we reviewed this thing in the same area we are now. Last year. 2 heaping scoops. And a half. That's how we like it. Dark roast only coffee. Everything else is trash. Alright, I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, our 5 minutes is up. Here we go. Tell me when.
That's probably good.
Yeah. Only real men drink black coffee. So, this thing is awesome for making coffee. When we originally got it, we didn't have the French press attachment. We only had the actual device here. And while it's really great for everything, I reached out to Stoke Voltage to see if they have this as an option. And they do. When you go to buy the Joule, you can buy it 2 different ways. You can buy it just the mug, or you can buy it with the French press attachment. And if you don't get this attachment, you're really missing out, because this thing makes a really kick butt kick butt thing of coffee. It really does. It's great. It packs back down tiny, easy to clean, easy to store. It's just simple and it's quick and easy, and anyone can use it. You don't have to pull out stoves and do a whole bunch of stuff to get your coffee going in the morning, and that's why we like it. So, with that, guys, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.